Okay. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to derivative of cos inverse of sin x is, so you know that derivative of cos inverse x. If treat sin inverse x is sin x is x, then cos inverse of x derivative is minus 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square means sin square x into derivative of sin x. Then derivative of sin x is cos x. So it is equal to now minus cos x divided by 1 minus sin square x is cos square x and square root of cos square x is cos x. So it is minus 1. So divided by x is minus 1. So there is alternate ways. So we can use, that is, we can use cos inverse of x is equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse of x also. So that is given is y equal to cos inverse of sin x. So this can write y is equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse of sin x using this property. That is cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. Here x is nothing but sin x. So it is pi by 2 minus sin inverse of sin x. Then what is sin inverse of sin x? X. So it is now y is equal to pi by 2 minus x. So we differentiate with respect to x now. So dy by x equal to derivative of pi by 2 0 minus derivative of x is 1. So it is equal to minus 1. So we can do this method also. So this is the derivative of cos inverse of sin x. Right. So first we here in the first method we consider the sin x is x. Then applying derivative of cos inverse x, that is minus 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square, which is sin square x, and multiply derivative of sin x, that is cos x. So numerator become minus cos x by what is 1 minus sin square cos square, under root of cos square cos x. It cancel, we get minus 1. Or we can use this method also to find the derivative of cos inverse of sin x. So take a screenshot of this. Otherwise, you can take right. You can write down. So can I erase now? Now, second example is if y equal to if y is equal to tan inverse of sin x by 1 plus cos x, then find dy by dx. Try this example. If y equal to sin x, tan inverse of sin x by 1 plus cos x, then find dy by dx. Anybody try this? See how to solve this. See, given expression is y equal to tan inverse of sin x by 1 plus cos x. So if you differentiate directly tan inverse of x, So then tan inverse of x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. Then we had to apply the quotient rule. So it lengthy process. Then how to differentiate directly? So here substitution is not required because here instead of variable x, here given trigonometric function only, sin and cos. So we can use direct formulas. That is y is equal to tan inverse of what is sin x formula? 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 divided by what is 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. 1 plus cos x formula is 2 cos square x by 2. So in this observe that denominator is 2 here, numerator is 2 get cancelled. One of the cos get cancelled. So what now y is equal to tan inverse of sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. So this is y is equal to tan inverse of sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 is tan x by 2. Then tan inverse tan get cancelled, so which is equal to x by 2. Now it is simplest form. So we differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to, so 2 is a constant as it is. Derivative of x is 1. So 1 by 2. So derivative of y equal to tan inverse of sin x by 1 plus cos x. And dy by dx equal to 1 by 2. So take a screenshot, otherwise you can write on. Also, I request to all students that your name should be properly. You should not write that name. You should not use other names. Tomorrow onwards. Otherwise, I will remove from your list.
The Mudassir Marwal by the
All of you, not only Mudassir. So the next example is now third example. That is if y is equal to tan inverse of cos x by 1 plus sin x. You try this example. Find dy by dx. If y equal to tan inverse of cos x by 1 plus sin x, then find dy by dx. So difficult to know. Anybody solve this? So see how to solve this. So given is y equal to tan inverse of cos x by 1 plus sin x. So here there is no direct formulas of cos x and 1 plus sin x. So that I can use these formulas. We know that cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. So from this I can write cos x is equal to replacing 2x by x. When you replace 2x by x replaced by x by 2. So it is cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. This is the formula for cos x. So now like this, we can create the formula for 1 plus sin x. 1 plus sin x. we can use 1 is equal to cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2, and sin x is equal to, we can use sin x is equal to, that is 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. What happened this now? Cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 is equal to cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 bracket square. It is a square plus b square plus 2ab, a plus b whole square. So now substitute these two. That is 1 plus sin x, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 bracket square, and cos x is cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 here. That is y is equal to tan inverse of. Now substitute and get the answer. Cos x is cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 and divided by, that is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 bracket square. Then now we solve it. That is y equal to tan inverse of. So cos square x by 2 minus cos sin square x by 2 can be written. Can use here a square minus b square. That is a plus b cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole divided by cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 bracket square. Then can you solve now? So cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 here, and here cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 bracket square. So one of these cancel. So we get y is equal to tan inverse of cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. We get like this. You can take a screenshot. So then we have up to here. That is, we got y is equal to tan inverse of cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Then how to solve? Then how to solve? Anybody can give idea? How to simplify it?
Divide by cos by 2.
Good, very good. Divide numerator and denominator by. Divide numerator and denominator by cos x by 2. So we get y is equal to tan inverse of cos x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 is 1 minus sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 is tan x by 2 divided by, it is 1 plus tan x by 2. So then now how to solve? Now how to
Formula.
solve? We can use the formula. Which formula? That is tan inverse of
Tan inverse.
x minus y by 1 plus xy is equal to tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. Here x is nothing but 1 and y is nothing but tan x by 2. 1 plus, we can write here 1 into. So this is x, this is y. So this is now tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. So this we get, that is y equal to tan inverse of x. X means 1 minus tan inverse of y. Y is tan x by 2. So this is equal to y is equal to tan inverse of 1 is 5/4 minus tan inverse tan get cancel. It is x by 2. Then differentiating. Now it is simplest form. So we differentiating with respect to x. So we get dy by x equal to root of 5/4. 0 minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now take a screenshot, otherwise you can write down.